Do you have an iPhone and want to know how to add notes on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to do it quickly and easily. I'll walk you through each step of the process so that you can start adding notes right away. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to add notes on Instagram with your iPhone. To get started, open up the Instagram application and make sure you are using the latest version of the app. After that, tap on the message icon at the top right corner of the screen. When you get to this screen, you'll notice your profile picture at the top left of the screen, along with a little plus icon that says, "Leave a note." So go ahead and tap on that. And now you have the ability to leave a note. You can type anything you want, and people will be able to see your note, but they won't be notified about it. But they can view it for up to 24 hours, and they can reply to it with a message. You can select who you are sharing your notes with. You can share this with either followers you follow back or your closest Instagram friends. Once you've typed in your note and selected who you are sharing it with, simply tap on the share option at the top right corner of the screen to post this note on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.